Welcome to the Sembot channel. Today we will show you how to create a visibility audit in Sembot. We can conduct a comprehensive store audit for you, that is, price analysis of your and your competitors' products, audit of product visibility in Google Ads, audit of visibility of key phrases in Google search results, and an audit of the quality of your product feed. Click the Get Your Audit button. You will be taken to the pricing page. Choose your subscription plan, then click Get Your Audit for free. You will be taken to the Account panel, directly to the Visibility Audit tab. Click on the Add Connection button. You will need to add your product feed and connection to conduct the audit. Note that we will only audit 10% of your feed, or 100 products, if you have more than 1,000 products. Make a connection. Select Connection. Select an account. Click Connect. On the Visibility Audit tab, click the Generate Free Audit button. Select for which country and for which language the audit should be generated. Wait for the audit results page to generate. This may take a few moments. Once the audit page is ready, analyze the results. You can send the audit link to people not registered with Sembot by clicking the Copy button at the top of the page. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to Sembot's channel if you want to stay up to date on our marketing solutions and news from the world of technology, performance marketing, and AI. See you in the next episode.